Okay, the next thing you're going to do is take these coil packs off. In here is a bolt. It's a 30 Torx. It's a 30. Again, that's in the middle there. Take those off for all three of them. I just left the other two attached just because I don't want to break any wires. I'm not replacing the spark plugs or the wires at this time. So the only one I had to get off was back here because it's blocking some of the bolts. But other than that, I can pretty much get it out of the way. So, and then some inverted Torx. This is probably a 10 or a 12 or an 8. So, anyways, here's the bolts. You know, take this off here, that off there. Disconnect this, just to move it out of the way a little bit so you have room. There's bolts here, all along the bottom, and then come back.